Hello everyone guys. Today in this video I am telling about the important topics of the NCRT which is not given explanation in NCRT which is very important for your NEET. So do not skip the video watch till the end of the video and share to your friends. Do not miss this one. Watch till end of the video. So let's begin. First one is the biological classification. Shapes and structure of bacteria, differences between the bacteria and cyanobacteria, and difference between the gram positive and gram negative, and the viral diseases. These are the concepts. In plant kingdom, ploidy of various structures of gymnosperms and angiosperms. Next, structural organization. Location of each type of tissues, characteristics of muscles tissues, coelom of cockroach. In the lesson of a cell structure and function, detailed concept we have to learn. Endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, plasma membrane, pathway of the protein secretion. Next, coming to the cell cycle and cell division, numerical based on the chromosomes number in different phases of cell cycle. We know the different phases of cell cycle. M1, G0, G1, G2 phases. And the checkpoints of the cell cycle, which is really not given in the NCRT, but I will provide the notes. Firstly, I am telling the topics which are important, and from the next video, we started this concept in a detailed study. Inhibitors of the cell cycle, plant physiology, transport in plants, numerical based on osmosis, ring Gridler experiment in detailed study, and K plus influx. Next, coming to the biomolecules, we have already learned and make a video. You can watch it in the which I shared in the description box. Enzyme binding concept, allosteric regulation, concept of Km, structure of glucose, galactose, fructose, bonds in different protein structures, this is due to vitamin deficiency, and types of enzyme inhibitions. Next, coming to photosynthesis in higher plants. Examples of C3 and C4 cycles, CAM pathway, it's a cyclic pathway, and in respiration in plants, pentose phosphate shuttle, ATP, NADPH, and FADH gain in various cycles, how much it gains, and inhibitors of ETS, electron transport system, and RQ of the germinating cells and the organic acids, respiratory questions. Next, coming to the human physiology, digestion and absorption, we have to learn that the dental formula of infants, which is already asked in the NEET 2020 question paper, 21 question paper, and BMR full form and the definition, enamel composition, mode and organ responsible for the absorption of glucose, fructose, galactose, and amino acids, and the function of GI hormones, Paneth cells, Kopler cells, and arginine cells. Next, coming to lesson is breathing and exchange of gases. In this chapter, function of pleural fluid, factor like pH, temperature, and CO2, and corresponding graphs as given, shifts of the O2 dissociation curve affecting the respiration, hemoglobin composition, and why fetal hemoglobin has more affinity for oxygen than normal hemoglobin. This is also an statement provided in my notes. Why HB is used in place of myoglobin, and dissociation curve of myoglobin, and altitude sickness. In a simple word, we have there in NCRT had given about the altitude sickness, but we learned in a detailed concept. Next lesson, body fluids and circulations. Calcium and magnesium role in regulation of heartbeat, and the angioplasty, angiography, ECG details, and ischemia, difference between carotid and coronary artery, difference between artery and vein, blood groups, and the RH incompatibility. Next lesson, excretory and its elimination. Urea cycle, hemodialysis, function of kidneys, counter current mechanism, and in locomotion and movement chapter, characteristics of various joints, sliding filament theory, which is given in a small way but we learned in detail, and properties of muscles. Next, last but not the least, neural control and the coordination, different lobes of cerebrum and their functions, CSC functions and its location, and number of cranials and spinal nerves. Just there is a counting numbers has given, but how much cranials and spinal nerves has did not given. And Alzheimer disease, Parkinson's disease, neurotransmitter that is activator other than the acetylcholine and inhibitor like GABA, and the causes and the remedy of the myopia, hyperopia, concept of astigmatism, presbyopia, cataract, and glaucoma, and last, chemical control and coordination. Diseases we have learned acromegaly, dwarfism, and gigantism, myxedema, and cretinism, and goitry. In detail study, we have to learn. So these are the out of NCRT means application form of the NCRT which you have to learn for a it examination of the 11th class. Next video make on the 12th class. After this video, I will surely upload a day by day video of these concepts. Do not miss, and thank you for the watching. Do share with your friends who are preparing for the NEET examination. Like the video and comment down below which topics you must need now, and do not miss to subscribe my channel. Thank you.